Hey guys, this is Akin from Living with Tech, and today we're going to be unboxing the already unboxed DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Yes, I said it. Unboxing the unboxed. Yeah, I actually did an unboxing earlier, but to my horror and shock, I didn't hit record. Yes, I know. That was really very bad. And yeah, I think it does happen once in a while. So anyway, I managed to pack everything back in the box, and yeah, let's unbox this thing again. Okay, so yeah, DJI packaging is just amazing. That's just the first thing I would like to say. They really do know how to, you know, do a very lovely presentation. The way they're packaging is very premium. Sometimes it feels as if I'm trying to unbox an iPhone. I mean, just look at the case. It's just amazing. Anyway, I bought the combo package, and what I mean by combo, you have extra features and accessories in the box. Like for example, this one has a carrying case and a tripod, which is amazing. The tripod is really very important. Also, you have the wrist strap, the storage pouch, and also the power cable. So not really so many items inside, but I think these ones that we have in the box will really be very important. So let's open the box right now. Okay, so I mean, I don't know. This is beautiful. I mean, this is nice. I really do love the way DJI, you know, they really do have a very uh, good head on their shoulders, if I can say so myself. It's amazing how they are able to do this. I mean, just look at the case. It's a hard case. It's really amazing. Um, I really do prefer this. Like even my earphones, my headphones, they all come in this kind of packaging. And I've also noticed that even DJI drones usually comes, especially the ones that come in the combo package, always comes with a case like this. So this is really beautiful. It comes with an extra like a side pouch where you can put cables. You can even put your earphones, charging cables, and stuff. And that will really come really handy for me when I start using it. So yeah, I love the case. That's what's inside. Okay, here we go. Nice. This is the DJI Gimbal, Mobile 3 Gimbal. It's made out of plastic, but it's really premium. It feels real good, not so heavy. Um, really feels good. It has an integrated battery inside, and I think that's what gives it a little bit of weight of the battery. Here it's kind of a little bit rubberized, so when you hold it, you have a very firm grip. And here I think had the zoom controls. This is the record. This is on and off, and these devices are just amazing. They're backed up by algorithms and gyroscopes. I mean, these guys pick up, on very unwanted jolts, bumps in your footage, and then stabilize those moments to help with the help of the motors that are built into this device. And it comes with a popular three-axis gimbal, which use initial measurement units to detect movements, and then adjust the gimbal to each axis to balance your camera and keep it still as you try to move through the scene. I mean, the best part is the gimbal is I mean, this one is really very light. I remember seeing pictures of the older gimbals. They look way bigger than this, like huge. But this is really light. I mean, this will probably be fit into my pocket. So you have some stickers. I think these stickers here are more instructions on how to unfold and how to connect, and yeah, it has a trigger, like a trigger. So I think to open it up, you push it upwards. Ooh, nice. It has a trigger. Don't really know what that will be used for yet. I have seen some videos on this gimbal, and I think it's used for some features we would explore um, when we set it up and take some really nice shots. So that's what comes in a hard case. Again, I love the fact that oh, nice. And I think to fold it back. Oh, yeah, great. So so let's see what's in the other case. What else is in the pattern? Okay, so we have an additional box in box. There's nothing else inside. So in here, first thing we have is the charging cable and the wrist strap. This is, I think, is really very handy. And this is, of course, the regular charger, and it's a Type C, which I love. I really do love Type C connectors. I prefer it to the older types. So you basically just, you know, plug it in here and charge it. And I also see it has a port where you can actually charge your mobile device. So this is also more like a power bank. So even while you're shooting, you can plug your mobile phone and also get some charge from your gimbal. I think that's really brilliant. I love that. So this here would go in this wrist strap hook to come in here. Okay, let's try and see if we can put this in here. This goes right in here. So this goes right in here. I think this is cool. You can put it around your wrist. And you hold. Put it around your wrist. You can put it around your wrist, and here you can. So it's, I mean, it adds an additional protection, so it doesn't fall off your hand. This is nice. Okay. Put this aside. Now, what is this? I don't know. Does anyone know what this is? I think maybe this is probably like for the grip, to have more grip on your gimbal. I'm not really so sure. I mean, if you guys know what this is, please, can you leave a comment below and just kind of educate me what this is. Anyway, this in box. And what else? Okay, let's put this up. Okay. All right, this is the storage pouch. I'm not really a fan of putting any electronics in stuffs like this because they do not have, you know, any real protection. For example, like the hard case has it's said to be waterproof. This is not waterproof, and yeah, but I'm kind of happy that it's in the box. I can use it maybe basically to store my cables and this thing. Yeah, probably good. Yeah, can use it for that. Then what else do we have Yes. And good, we have the tripod. I think this is amazing. This is nice. This is really very important. Yes, I do have other tripods. I have other tripods, but there are some situations maybe you're on the move, you're outside, and you want to take some shots, and you kind of huge tripod might be very inconvenient. But this is really very small, and you can easily put in your bag, in your pocket, and everything. And it basically fits right under your gimbal. There is a socket here where you can plug in and screw it in, and yeah, so open it up. There you go. Amazing. Love it. Amazing. So basically, that's everything you have in the box. And yeah, thanks for watching this unboxing. And in the next video, we'll be talking about how to set it up. And yeah, and then we take some nice shots. Hopefully, they'll be stable. Again, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.